So hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to go through how you can guys to see how to make a good creative that it is good for your brand and for brand image, and how you can grow your brand with those creative, and how you can basically stay consistent in a long period of time. And unfortunately, with today's new Facebook update, iOS 14 and everything, everybody keeps getting banned, and I'm going to talk about that at the end of the video as well. But it's kind of hard to manage. But if you guys can not give up, and after each getting banned, start again, you're going to be in that 1%, because everybody going to give up, and it's going to be less competition and basically much less cost, and you're just going to make it. So without further ado, let's go on to the video. So guys, I have a couple of websites that I can show you. So that's how, when I want to start a brand, like when I want to start an e-commerce store or dropshipping store, whatever that is, and I want to know what kind of creative works on that niche, I just go to this website in here that is called Facebook and Instagram ad. So here basically what this means is, this is each niche that there is. So if you say, if you want on a if you say that you are on pet niche, so you just choose pets, and here are the top pet niche that there is. And you basically there is more, but if we click on load more, it's lagging at the moment. But if you click on one of these videos like paw.com, as you can see, the domain costs millions of dollars. So you can see this is a brand, so you can see all of the top ads in here. And then you can get some inspiration out of it, like what they do, what kind of ad copy are they using. I myself usually, at the beginning, I will one advice I have for you guys is, at the beginning we don't start at too much budget, and we want to make it as soon as possible. So I try to find a brand that is already successful with a product, and they're already well known, so I can kind of copy them and try to make it better. Not better because I have much more budget, I'll optimize everything, just try to copy them in other country that they are not advertising in, so I have a advantage, so I can use their videos on that country. But I don't recommend you guys to copy it, but at the beginning that was what I did, and this channel I have been trying to be transparent as possible. So that's basically it, guys. But if you find a brand that is already doing it, you're going to have a unlimited access to unlimited amount of creatives, so you're never going to reach ad fatigue till you can get a little bit of money, like $20,000-$30,000, and then you can reinvest content in your own business and try to white label the product, just packaging and everything, and here you can see the ad copy, you can see the things they're writing down here, and that's it. That's basically today only 70% off. You can just copy a couple of ad copies and see which one you want to use. But basically you can see all of the ads in here. You can see the retargeting ads. As you can see, this is a retargeting ad, and they're running image ads, which is pretty cool, because if you can sell a product with image ads, the product cost going to be Facebook ad cost going to be much less. So this is one, for example, just in a niche. But the other one, we can check this one, for example. If you can see anything here, you can see amazing cat, almost 1 million likes. The page was made in 2016, and there's a couple of people that are in it. So you can see here the ads are running 16 ads, and these ads are completely high quality, so you guys can use them as well. So you can see here, find it, and then you can kind of use the same ad copy and everything. Now just don't try to copy them, because they will be easy to find you, and they can copyright you. And basically when you see the ad, they have watermark in the middle that just screams that this is working for them, and they don't want anyone else to take it. But my strategy is kind of reverse psychology, and the brands that I'm currently doing, and if they are working for me, I never watermark any of my product creative, because that just shows, okay, this is working for him. So they will try to get the video. As you can see, they have the logo, amazing. I have to see the logo. What is the? I think it's amazingly cat. Like it's easily like to get over this. You can just write amazinglywithcat.com. People will not know this, and like make it something logo like this, and basically voila, that's your video. That's easy as that. And you can just put the one extra word somewhere in the here or in your domain, so people will not notice, so they think this is your video as well. So you can see how many videos you are doing here. Here's the other video. They basically are about dropshipping products that I've worked before, but like you can just like take the video, just take it and do it in a country that they have not been advertising. Guys, you have to start thinking outside of the box and like just always do US, UK. Or those countries are saturated. Just try to find a country that is good for that. For example, for cats in Turkey, they love cats. Like if you hit a cat or something like that, or if you like be mean to a cat, they can put you in jail. Like cats are like gods to Turkish people. They love cats so much. Cats are on the streets everywhere. They love cats. They feed cats. And just like maybe cats that you see in USA or I don't know anywhere else. When you see a cat, all the cats run. Because they don't trust you. But in Turkey, they're just there's a wide open. They don't care because all of the people are kind to them. And in Turkish, like the cat products are booming, like booming. They like buy crazy, and like in statistics, I don't know how to call it, guys, but in like in a statistics, if you see it, like you see that in the Turkish, like they're the most like country that love cats. They buy most product cats, like everything. They love cats. So if I were you, I could take this product and sell it only in Turkish, and you can just do it in their native language. If you know anyone from Fiverr or Upwork, there's a lot of people that are willing to do it. And as you can see here, they are doing like tons of products in here. Like this, you see it's easily like free products for you guys, and you can just check the website as well to see how the website is. So I'm going to just make it slower. The website is kind of good. There's a ton of colors in here: green, orange, blue, kinda. And yeah, the website basically looks very scammy. And as you can, I don't think this is a Shopify store, is it? Yeah, this is a Shopify store. You can see what kind of apps they're using, and you can see in here when they started. They started on 2017. And this is basically the website. You can do much better than that, but think like if you do the same website only for one product, like for example this one, and you just brand it around this product, and you can just kind of take their product description as well, but this is like nothing in here. Like I wouldn't take this at all because this is bad, but you can just go to the funnel and see like what they are doing it. They have product page, they're upselling the product in here. They have this one, your cart is reserved, yes, yes, yes. And we can go to checkout and see how the checkout looks like. Yeah, so basically it's the same. Isn't any special. And here is the logo. They just put this. Basically website looks very scammy, guys, but this is a general store for cats, so it's pretty much working for them. Otherwise they wouldn't running like ton of ads for it for different products. You just can come here and take it. It's as easily as that. And the pictures are high quality as well, so you can just go through the website and see everything. But if you are trying to write a good ad copy and like you're looking for words, you can just go to Amazon. You can go and here you can write down cat toy, something like that. And here you can like take this one only. For example, we say this was the product that you found, and you are trying to write a product description for this, like very good product description. You can read here and you see like if there is anything that you can use. But mostly what I do is like before I sell the product, I try to niche down the product for myself as much as possible, so I know who I'm selling to, so I can talk to them directly. Because most of the people, like they say, just start broad, you don't know from this and that. But you can like do some research, and do your due diligence to see like if the product is working, or what type of audience are they selling to. Their reviews, their Facebook comments, what are the most like ages, so we can talk only to that people. Because for example, if we say like your product description is like, it's like you're not focusing in in a different in a age group or a like some kind of people like they're interested in something. You're just not going to like you're just not going to talk to any of them, so and not any of them can relate, so none of them going to buy. But for example, if you say like you are trying to target 3 million, but if you niche it down, it's going to be 200. And if you talk with that 200,000 people, like of that 200,000, 2,000 people buy, you still make like 6 figures in Shopify, you know. So like that's basically it, and that's basically always having my method. I never like go that broad. I just niche down to who I want to sell to, and I optimize my website depending on an age. So on the ad copy matter, guys, you can just come here, and one thing that Amazon is very like give you a good option, which is in here this box, guys. Like in here you can see that there's like 18,000 reviews or something like that, and this is the most used words in those reviews. So you can take these words and use it in your product description, because this is the most used word that customers that have bought they have used in the reviews. So Amazon gives you all of this. So this is a very good tip for you guys to use it. I've been using it for a long time. Waste of money, battery life, highly recommended, long time, well made, fluffing fish, cat toy, you know, you can just use this. But I have another website as well, because if you don't trust this, you can just come here and copy all of the reviews, and you can go to this website which was somewhere around here. Yes, word cloud generator. So what this website basically does is you come here and you click this one. So what this website does is you can copy all of the reviews, like we say 20, 30 of 4 plus reviews, and you can just come here and like word list, and you can upload your words in here, and after you click apply, it will like generate lots of words in here, and you can see the most used words, because this app going to tell you what the most used words are. And you can do the same thing for the two plus reviews and down, to see what to avoid and what to not say in order to get all of the customers and high conversion rate. I'm sorry guys, I have wrote down everything that I have to talk to you about today. So, and yeah, so that's basically it. So yeah, that's what I've been using. And another tip I have for you guys is, if you say like you are scaling and like everything is going good, if you're at the beginning and you are dropshipping and do that, and you don't have lots of budget, so you're going to have a problem with feedback score. So there's one website that my friend have been using it. I have never been using them, guys. Like, I don't know. You can just do it on your own. Like, I'm just recommending because my friend told it to me. But basically the website is this one. So what this website does is you can buy feedback score in here. As you can see here, it's a little bit expensive kinda, but 500 feedback score for $1,900. If you're like, if it's almost about your feedback score and you've been drop shipping, customers aren't happy with everything, you can kind of purchase this in order to keep your feedback score at the minimal level or above 2 in order to stay advertised. But I don't recommend you guys this. I just recommend you to do your due diligence, find a good supplier, faster shippings, stop using AliExpress. You can use a sourcing box, or I don't know, CJ Dropshipping, or have a private supplier, and just try to negotiate the best price possible. And yeah guys, so this is the website that you can like buy feedback score from. I don't know if you know about this, but this is basically it. And the website is feedprotector.com. I'm going to leave it down below in the description as well. And yeah, so another tip that I have for you guys is, don't try to only focus on Facebook ads. I've been doing some Snapchat and TikTok ads as well. I've been starting doing TikTok, and like in TikTok I'm starting to learning. Like, I haven't watched any course, because you don't need to watch any course. It's simple, just cost cap, beat cap, and test everything possible. And in TikTok at the moment I have around 2.5 ROAS, and with the product that I'm testing. But like Snapchat ads, it's very like not saturated, depending on like which country you do it as well. Like no matter if you even do in US, it's pretty unsaturated, because nobody is doing Snapchat ads, and Snapchat are like over, I don't know how many people, visitors, users in Snapchat. And like Snapchat people, they're pretty like loyal to the app. So it's kind of untapped people, you know, so you can target, and the costs are much cheaper. No bans like Facebook's, same as like TikTok, you don't get any bans. So guys, just try to differentiate yourself from the others and learn the new methods. That's how you like make lots of money, you know. I've been doing Snapchat as I'm in love with it. Like I'm getting like highest CPMs, and like, you know, the ROAS on the roof. I'm going to soon make a video about that as well to show you everything, my setup, how I've been doing it in Snapchat. But guys, basically that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and leave the comment below if you have any questions. Peace, guys.